Hey everyone, I'm Natasha. I'm a photographer and educator at Samys Photo School, and today I'd like to show you a non-destructive tip on how to do some dodging and burning to create a more of a dynamic image. Okay, here we have an image of a farmer in Cuba. And as you can see, the sky is a bit too light and the face is a bit too dark. So we're going to fix this non-destructively, so that way if we want to change our mind, we'll have no problem doing so. I'm going to go ahead into the layer menu and I'm going to create a new layer. I'm going to name this layer Dodge and Burn. You can name it anything you like. Dodge is to lighten, burn is to darken. I'm going to change the mode down to overlay, but you can also experiment with soft light. I'm going to fill this overlay neutral color 50%. Make sure that that is checked. Click OK. Notice on your layer palette, you will have a gray layer. Nothing has changed in the image. Now I'm going to go ahead and grab my Dodge tool, or I can press on the letter O. My settings for the Dodge tool are set up for 10% up on top, and I actually like to work with it in the highlight mode, but you can experiment. I'm going to make my brush bigger and I'm going to start dodging. And instead of clicking and holding and going to the burn tool, here's the tip. I can have a big brush, even a bigger brush. You can change the brush sizes up on top, or you can hold the option control key on a Mac, or you can alt right click on PC and have a big brush. And now notice I'm still in the Dodge tool, but if I hold the option alt key, it switches automatically to the burn tool. Now I can also burn a little bit in the leaves here if I wish to. And you can play around with midtones, highlights, and shadows. I had it on highlights because the sky is very light, but you can play around with it. And this is the result. You can turn off and on, toggle on the layer. And if you look at the layer, this is what I got. Really dark area right there and a light little area where his face is. And that is a non-destructive dodge and burn. Hey, if you enjoyed this tip and you would like to learn more, join me for the Photoshop class at Samys Photo School. The link is down below. While you're down there, go ahead and subscribe to our channel, ring the bell, and you'll be notified for the next tip. And I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.